How to find your profile settings on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your profile settings on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app and then click these three lines in the top corner and now click here, settings, and then just click this one here, uh, not settings, click these three lines in the top corner and click on your profile, and here you will find it, edit, and as you see here you can manage your account, and that's it. This is of course just click on anything you want and you can change it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.